So in this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate simple powers. So 2 squared means 2 times 2. I'm sure you all know that equals 4. Now 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2. And you should be able to work out that comes to 8. So if you understand those two, then you should see that 2 to the power 5 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And you can do this in a number of ways. We know that 2 cubed is 8. We know that 2 squared is 4. The answer will be the same as 8 fours. And 8 fours are 32. Now, you could have just kept doubling. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 gives you 32. So there's different ways to do it. 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. 3 to the power 4 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. You might like to think of that as 9, and you can see I've underlined it, times 9, which is 81. Now a half squared means a half times a half. If you know how to multiply your fractions, a half times a half is 1 times 1 over 2 times 2, which is a quarter. Now 4 squared is 4 times 4 is 16. 5 cubed is 5 times 5 times 5. And 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. How did I do that? Well, I know that 5 fives are 25. If you were stuck with this, you could, if you had a calculator, maybe you could do it. If you didn't have a calculator, do 25 times 5, 5 fives, 25, and 2 fives are 10, and 10 and 2 is 12. 8 squared, you should know all your squareds up to 10 squared. 8 squared is 8 times 8, which is 64. And for some reason I've written 5 cubed out twice, so I'll just put the answer down as 125. 3 cubed, 3 times 3 times 3. And again, you should know your cube numbers, really from 1 to 10. So 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 threes are 27. And 10 cubed is 10 times 10 times 10. Lots of ways of doing this. You should know really that it will be 1 and then 3 noughts, 1,000. Or you could do 10 tens are 100, and 100 times 10 is 1,000. And there are a few examples of calculating simple powers.